Hi, my name is Eric Rosenberg. I'm the president of Swantigi, a company based in Brussels, and I'm also the incoming chairman of MPI International Board of Directors. I have to be at WEC as the incoming chairman of MPI International Board of Directors. But guess what? As a business owner in Europe, I would go there anyway. Why? Because I want to understand what's going on now in our world. I want to learn from other people in other regions. I want to understand what it means, the integration and convergence between the marketing, the meetings, the events, and I want to connect with the people. Every time I've been attending an MPI conference, I've learned something, and that's definitely the case with WEC. We have the opportunity to hear different speakers, and I just want to mention one of them that is coming from Europe, Emmanuel Gobillot. He's French, he's living in the UK. I had the opportunity to listen to him 2 months ago, and believe me, he is absolutely outstanding and is giving fresh ideas, and most importantly, he's giving us information we can use in our business just after we end up going back after WEC. So I'm going to be there as well with my family. Why? Because British Columbia is an unbelievable region, and Vancouver is definitely one of the best locations in the world. So the only thing I can tell you, go there, make the investment. I hope to see you there, and I hope together we can learn what's going on in our industry and we can improve what we're doing on a daily basis in Europe. Thank you.